We have learned about structure of human ear. Now we are going to learn mechanism of hearing. So external ear receive the sound waves, external sound, then it directs the sound towards the eardrum, towards the tympanic membrane. So when the wave strike the tympanic membrane, the alternate compression, depression of the ear causes the membrane to vibrate. कंप्रेशन डिप्रेशन से मेम्ब्रेन वाइब्रेट करने लगेगा एंड दिस वाइब्रेशन आर ट्रांसमिटेड थ्रू द ईयर ऑसिकल मेलियस इनका स्टेप्स टू ओवल विंडो. So the movement of oval window set up the wave in the perilymph of scala vestibuli. So the movement of oval window create a wave in the perilymph of scala vestibuli and then vibration occur in the endolymph of scala media. The waves in the endolymph of scala media induce a ripple in the basilar membrane. So basilar movements bends the hair cell which is present in the organ of Corti and pressing them against the tectorial membrane. So basilar movement bends the hair cell, pressing them against the tectorial membrane. Then afterward क्या होगा? Nerve impulse generated in the associated afferent neurons. So these impulses transmitted to कहाँ ट्रांसमिट जाएगा? ये impulse ट्रांसमिट होगा auditory region of brain via auditory nerves. So impulse get analyzed and sound is recognized. So what is the role of organ of Corti in mechanism of hearing? So organ of Corti is present on the basilar membrane. So movement of the basilar membrane bend the hair cell which is present in the organ of Corti. So this bending of hair cell of organ of Corti possesses them against the flexible tectorial membrane present on them. So as a result, the nerve impulse are generated in the afferent neurons associated with the hair cell of organ of Corti. So these impulses are transmitted by afferent nerve fibers via auditory nerves to the auditory cortex of the brain. कहाँ ये impulse transmit होता है? Afferent nerve fibers से with the help of auditory nerves जाता है auditory cortex of the brain में. So the cochlear branch, जो cochlear branch है auditory nerve का, transmit the neural impulse for hearing. और जो वेस्टिबुलर ब्रांच ऑफ ऑडिटरी नर्व है वो ट्रांसमिट्स करता है न्यूरल इम्पल्स फॉर बैलेंस. So the nerve impulse are analyzed in the cortex of brain and the sound is recognized. So it is about the mechanism of hearing.